Mom's got pigs.
Yeah.
Ew,
Okay.
that's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Austin and I are traveling with our two littlest today. Hi.
Give me a moment.
Sleeping.
You just woke up, didn't you?
Yeah.
You comfy? Yep, I'm cold now.
Mm-hmm.
We just got us some pigs. Take that off. Can you see in your glasses?
Yeah. Shoo.
I smell pee. Ooh, I think I got
You didn't touch anything.
I did too. I touched the latch. No. No.
Struggle's real.
Stop touching my face. She was like holding on to it by its ear.
That's what he was doing here. Tail. I'm just gonna hug it. Oh. Ugh.
That.
Smell it there too. Right there. It's there. Touch it. Got livestock, got livestock, got pigs, I got pigs, I got pigs, more pigs.
Oh dear.
Pigs.
Aw. They're going really fast. What's the speed limit here?
92.
92.
They're so perfectly spaced out too.
So we ended up borrowing a truck. We ended up borrowing a trailer so we could go get 10 pigs in Texas. All the way to Texas while there's a tornado watch. Tornado watch. So there's that. This never happens in Oklahoma. What is this? Or at least where we're from. Not in the armpit. Holy moly, our road is. I don't think you can go down that. Honey.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Dad, I'm gonna watch your pickup.
I want to buy it now. Holy moly. I don't know what that is. It's a log. Oh, we made it.
Where did we get?
This is ridiculous. Like our road is always awesome. Was that a dead animal? There was something like next to that can. No. Don't stop.
Speed it up.
No. It would be funny if all those logs.
Just washed away.
I bet it's moved a little. Yeah. We managed to get all the pigs in there. Lightning and everything. Golly. This is the worst day to do pigs. Austin was right. Thank you, Casey. See sunlight now? Poppet's never seen pigs. Mission accomplished. Now that the rain has stopped, the sun is shining, the pigs are situated, we're gonna call it a night. We're done for the day. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure with us, and we'll see you later, guys.